So we talked a little bit about the style guide for Solidity and the different code layout and we talked about NAT spec. However, we didn't really talk about the ordering of our functions and the ordering of our calls. The Solidity docs actually do have an order of layout where we first start with our pragma, which we're actually doing great. Then we do import statements. We don't have any yet. Interfaces and libraries, we don't have any. Contracts comes next. Okay, great. And inside the contracts, do type declarations, state variables. Okay, no type declarations, but state variable right here. No events, which we'll talk about in a little bit. No modifiers. Obviously, we have some functions, which are coming next. Awesome. And even the functions have an order where you do constructor, receive, fallback, and then your external and public functions, and then your internal and private. And then within a grouping, place the view and pure functions last. And I really like that code layout, but sometimes I forget to do that. So what you'll see me do actually sometimes at the top of my code is I even just paste this at the top, this version-y layout, so I remember how to do that. If you go to the GitHub repo associated with this lesson, we scroll down to, where is it? The code base here. You go into src, raffle.sol. You can actually just copy this and paste it at the top. So this is the layout that we're going to be following here. And I think this layout makes your code base just look so much more professional. And it helps you know where to look for stuff when you're working with code. So this is the layout we're going to use. If you want to use your own though, you're absolutely more than welcome to use your own code layout. But this is what the Solidity docs recommend. And I'm down to go with the Solidity doc.